I find SAP to be more reliable. We can do lots of things right now in the system without any hitches, and a lot of things that we used to do manually, like keeping the stock and keeping track of it, we can now do it more conveniently with SAP.
This is helping us make a lot of informed decisions on ordering, on our human resources, on our finances and our stock. And it is basically paying back what we spent on it.
One of the benefits of using SAP is landed cost is very easy. Another benefit of using SAP is customers authorization.
After SAP, all operations are real-time, and now we have a better control.
The main benefit of SAP for me has been that it has made it easier to access all information I need from a central location, including tracking of costs, movement of stocks and inventory, control of inputs and outputs.
Before SAP, we had problems with accountability and record keeping. So it was hard to trace mistakes and get proper records for like tonnages and cement quantities and everything.
SAP has really helped our operations in terms of revenue collection. We used to do manual entry, and nowadays it's all automated, and it's improved the amount of collections we do in a given day. It gives us alerts on outstanding payments, allowing us to effectively collect any balances left.
We are a group of companies. SAP gives us consolidated reports at a click of a button.